When people think of face transplant costs, most think that any surgical operation done on the face is only for vanity. But that was not the case with Patrick Hardison. Hardison, a former 42-year-old volunteer firefighter residing in Senatobia, Mississippi, had his life changed after he underwent the world's most extensive soft tissue face transplant last year. Hardison had his face disfigured after suffering from fatal facial skin burns when he responded to a house fire in 2001. His personal and professional life had suffered in the aftermath of the fire. He was not able to walk freely in public for many years as he feared public humiliation. Adults stare at him. Children are scared of him. His self-esteem fell. Because of this, for years, Hardison and his family had considered saving for the face transplant cost. When the family finally decided to go through with it, Dr. Eduardo Rodriguez, along with 100 doctors and other medical professionals from the New York University Langone Medical Center, were more than happy to oblige. Of course, it was something that has been rarely done in medical history. The next step was to choose a donor. The team partnered with the Live on NY donor network and they ended up using the face of David Radabaugh, a Brooklyn native who perished in a bicycle accident. At the end of the process, Hardison had a portion of Radabaugh's face, ears, ear canals, scalp, facial bones, cheeks, nose, eye muscles and eyelids. Now Radabaugh is planning to go back to work and perhaps have a stint as a motivational speaker so he can speak about his experience. The doctors, on the other hand, will monitor his progress in the next 12 months to see just how successful the operation has been. Watch this interview of Patrick Hardison talking about his story, his historic surgery and face transplant cost in the video from the New Yorker below. When people think of face transplant costs, most think that any surgical operation done on the face is only for vanity. But that was not the case with Patrick Hardison. Hardison, a former 42-year-old volunteer firefighter residing in Senatobia, Mississippi, had